Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's off to a great productive day. So on this video here, I'm going to show y'all what y'all can expect if you order DTF transfers, custom apparel, or supplies from CB GraphX. Alright, so I'm going to first start off by showing y'all a few designs that I just finished printing out on the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer. And if anybody's interested in the printer that I'm using, I will leave my affiliate discount link down in the description where you can take advantage and save some money. But while you're looking at these designs, there's a couple of things you're going to be able to see. One, how well the Lancelot printer prints. Two, how vibrant my DTF ink is, and the quality of the DT transfers you will receive if you were to order from me. So this first design I'm about to show you, it's a brand new design, but it's of a throwback cartoon character, the Pink Panther. Now as y'all taking a look at this design right here, this is what you can expect if you order a DTF transfer from me. You can order a single sheet, or you can do a gang sheet and get an entire roll like what I'm holding now. This next design right here, I want you to see how vibrant the colors are, how detailed it is. And like I said, if y'all interested on how I create my designs, I do have a step-by-step full tutorial on how I create my designs and the Lancelot M1630 Pro settings that I use when I print my designs out. That's available on my website. So with the way I create my designs and then using a Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer and utilizing my ink, this is what you get. Nice, vibrant DTF prints. But see how detailed that is and how vibrant those colors are? Like I said, that's with the way you create your designs, the printer that you're using, and the ink and supplies that you're using. So this right here is my high vibrant DTF ink that I utilize when I'm printing all my designs out. And if anybody's interested in this, I do have it available on my website, and I am running a special on it. And I do have tons of it in stock. So this is the first design we're going to go ahead and press up. I already did my preheat to release all the moisture out of the shirt. All right, so my design is finished pressing, and I only use hot peel. That means I can peel it instantly. We're going to go ahead and grab our finishing sheet, put it on there. Press it for 5 seconds. And now I'm going to bring y'all in so y'all can take a look at it. Okay, so here's the side-by-side comparison so you can see how my high-quality DTF transfers turn out to be high-quality t-shirts. So if you're thinking about ordering transfers from me, you can expect this kind of quality. And if you're considering ordering custom apparel, you can expect this kind of quality. So the next design we're going to go ahead and do is the Pink Panther. And we're going to do this one on a sweatshirt. And this transfer film here, this design is a lot bigger than the other one. So we're going to have to do it in 2 presses. All right, so we got our second press done too. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the transfer film. All right, so the design has finished pressing. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. We'll bring y'all in close. So here's a side-by-side comparison. See how the transfer film is looking? And see how well it transferred onto the sweatshirt. But if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, consider subscribing to the channel, clicking that notification bell so you don't miss none of my future videos. And as always, thank y'all for watching.